This year we have 1,000 students, 103 institutions, 150 faculty mentors, 75 live building projects. A new generation of young professionals who will transform the face of the building sector in India.
Hi, my name is Abraham Philip. I'm the team lead for ILBuild 4.0. We are the commercial entry from CEPT University for Solar Decathlon India.
I'm Sejal Shanbag. I am an architect and currently doing my thesis in building energy performance at CEPT University.
I'm Hayat Modi. I'm from Ahmedabad. I have done my undergraduate in civil engineering from LD College, and right now I'm pursuing my master's degree in building energy performance from CEPT University.
I'm Amanda Santiago. I'm doing my M.Tech in building energy performance from CEPT University. So with regard to Solar Decathlon, I'm working on the design portion of it along with the team, trying to ensure that we have the aesthetics involved as well as we are ensuring that the building is energy efficient.
Now, we are taking part under the commercial office building category for Solar Decathlon India. And the project that we are working is called Pragya, which is located in GIFT City in Gandhinagar in Gujarat.
Being among the finalists is definitely a unique moment for us. It definitely gives us a vision forward towards our next step. It also gives us confidence. At the same time, it allows us to see our competitors on a larger platform. What we could bring for sure is when we were collaborating among ourselves as a team and also with the industrial partners, we tried to ensure that we worked with a balance. I mean, our goal was eventually to reach a net zero building, but we didn't want to compromise on things like aesthetics and that. So we tried to strike a balance between both and ensure that there's a harmony throughout.
The biggest thing which I personally feel is that the share that the team had. And so each team member took on various roles of any design or construction process. And then we have realized that having all of them involved from the initial stage has helped us to come up with right strategies that are efficient and that gives us a much more optimized energy use.
As a whole, it has helped me to develop a perspective towards energy efficient buildings and help to propose them in the future projects.
Personally, being the team lead, it was a good exposure for me to actually take up this role because it was, it builds upon qualities that you need in the profession. So again, dealing with different individuals who have like completely different ideas on how to convince them, how to take in their suggestions and analyze it in the right way and take it in the right way. So I mean, communication was one thing I would say which is a great takeaway for me personally.
Interacting with our industrial partners, that has definitely helped us because from that we were able to understand the kind of tenants that are going to take up the building and what probable requirements they might have. With that, I mean, that's definitely helped us in providing them with like good design solutions, also to ensure that they have a comfortable and efficient workspace.
Interacting with industrial partners, we learned the difference between the theory and what is being actually done in practice and how can we identify those gaps. And with interacting with industry partners, we were able to understand how current trends affect the decision taken and how we should respect some of the trend and how to be bold and challenge some of those trends to achieve energy efficiency. And I see great potential in this clean energy field in the future. And CEPT and this Solar Decathlon India has opened doors for that field for me. And I'm very excited to work in the field for which I'm very passionate.
Firstly, we understand that a project design is unique and cannot be replicated. But at the same time, the concepts, the strategies involved, the innovative technologies, and some of the guidelines that are developed for a project can be scaled up to any uh, ratio in a similar project in the current location or elsewhere. Also, to engage different stakeholders and also change the outlook of the conventional building strategies and construction technologies. I think our project is going to really facilitate that.
The videos in the modules were equally engaging. It was like well presented, infographics wise, like it gelled perfectly with the content that was being represented. Some of us even took snapshot of those infographics to add it into our live information or the PPTs that we keep on preparing.
It was something that we all like to do. Plus, it was very engaging. I mean, even while watching the videos, we were like always like learning something new. Even being from a building energy performance background, there was something new always there.
Next year, I mean, for the next year's competition, I would definitely recommend anyone who's in this industry to take part in this. Like the opportunities that you're getting, the exposure that you're getting, the experts webinars that you get to attend, and their feedback. I mean, that itself makes it worth your your step to from academic to the profession.